Today, we're using Midjourney AI to design a vase for flowers. The prompt we're giving Midjourney is architecture as 3D printed vase, openings as voids for flowers, isometric perspective, and realistic. Here are all of the concept images that came from the prompt. I really like this one with a beautiful pattern of openings with flowers coming out of it, but it didn't look like it had an area to hold water. This other concept was really elegant. It looks like a clay object that was compressed at the top. Using the concept image as a reference, I designed a 3D model of it using a program called Rhinoceros. I went through multiple variations of the model and tried to balance what was showing in Midjourney's concept image with real parameters that we need to follow for a vase. For example, we need to have an area for water so we can keep the plants alive, and we also need the vase to be able to support the flowers without falling over. Here's what the final model looked like. After importing the model into a slicing software and exporting the steps, I loaded it into my 3D printer and started the print. Every time I print a new project, there's a part of me that worries if the print is going to fail at an intricate area of a design like all the voids on each side of the vase. This project took 21 hours to print, and I checked in on it every couple of hours. It's fun to watch the printer build every section. The only issue I saw with this print was the stringing that happens from the excess filament going through the nozzle as the print head moves from one area to the next. I can work on these settings for my next project, but for this one, I'll use a lighter and burn off the fuzzy parts. Once the print was complete, I removed it from the bed and placed it on my work table. I poured water into the cup that I designed at the center, brought over some flowers, and finished the project. There's some areas that I could have adjusted to make this project look more like the one that Midjourney developed, but I'm happy with how this one came out. If you enjoyed this project, check out my other 3D printed craft videos and consider subscribing. I'll see you again next week.